skin trouble, dry skin, pimples, various skin problems. Bacteria and water we use for cleaning. Even chlorine that damaged skin. Change the showerhead. Full of vitamin C gel, famous as an antioxidant. Vitamin balm on my skin. Health balm. Strengthened skin barrier. Subtle and refreshing lemon fragrance. Even the effect of aromatherapy. Ionpolis V Vitamin Showerhead. My skin always used to be rough with pimples due to skin troubles. After using the vitamin shower, my skin has become soft and the pimples have disappeared. First, skincare with vitamin C shower. Vitamin C, famous for its antioxidant effects. Don't just apply or consume, but now shower. Full of natural vitamin C factors. Inside the shower head. As it dissolves in water throughout the showering process, the refreshing sensation of vitamin C waterfall. With vitamin C shower, makes skin soft and smooth as water passes through the antibacterial filter. Even bacteria in one shot. Ceramic ball antibacterial test complete. Heavy metal filtration test complete. Heavy metal non-detection test complete. Makes skin healthy with healthy water. Ionpolis V Vitamin Showerhead. Skin feels so smooth that there is no need for moisturizer. It's just great. Second, anion, aromatherapy, massage, 3-in-1. Shots and shots of pure anion. 280 watering plates. Ultra-fine water stream of 0.22 millimeters. As if standing under the waterfall. Spraying down. As if you are at a luxurious spa. Aromatherapy effect with lemon fragrance. Relaxes tight muscles. Refreshing sensation and relief from daily fatigue. Even skin with accumulated dead skin cells would become neat, clean. A total transformation. Complete elimination of makeup residue. Silk shower with thin water flow yet strong. Silk water massage. Pleasant baths for both children and the elderly. Because water massage with vitamin C when feeling tired and fatigued eliminates all the fatigue as if you are at the hot springs. Third, increased water pressure. Conservation of water. Economical effect. Power. The power is special. You ask, wouldn't it waste water? Even when kept running for the same period of time? Water conservation test complete. Where water is reduced. Prospective small and medium export company which exports to 30 countries of the world. Selected as one of Korea Hit 500. Selected as Gyeonggi-do Export Frontier. Selected as prospective export company. Product development, manufacture, distribution, and even export. Robust scale, fully equipped with one-stop line. Global showerhead shared by citizens of the world. Relief, safety, ISO 9001. Heavy metals test, chlorine removal test, proudly made in Korea. Ionpolis. Now use the Ionpolis V Filter Vitamin Showerhead. Vitamin Balm, Moisture Balm. Meet your healthy skin.